Ready for takeoff! Here are 6 travel tricks for mastering your baggage allowance. Start by checking the free baggage allowance on the Lufthansa website or via our app, based on the type of fare you have booked. Keep an eye on both weight and dimension for each bag. Remember to label your checked baggage clearly with your contact details, both on the outside and even inside your bag. Rolling your clothes and using separate clothing organizers can significantly save space in your luggage. Always ensure that you take personal items, such as valuables and medication, with you in your carry-on bag or backpack. Register your bulky baggage, like sports equipment or large instruments, as early as possible, as there is limited storage space available. Right after check-in, you can call up your baggage receipt and baggage status using the Lufthansa app and our digital baggage services. This feature offers the reassurance of knowing where your baggage is throughout your journey. Do you have any more questions? Discover all the answers in our travel briefing, your guidelines for the journey ahead. And feel free to share any travel tricks you'd like to learn about with us. We wish you a pleasant journey with Lufthansa.